no jewelry making or macrame experience, no problem. These macrame daisy earrings are not only cute, but are beginner friendly as well. Here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. In this video, I will be going over a super cute macrame earrings project, and these are cute little macrame daisy earrings. Now, if you have no prior macrame experience or any prior jewelry making experience, that is totally okay. We are going to turn some simple knots with a bit of string into a cute little daisy earring. Now, I used some 1.5mm single strand string for this project. If you have embroidery thread at home or any string that is about 1 to 2mm, those will also work. These cute little earrings are perfect for the spring and summer season and are perfect little gifts that are easy to make. And without further ado, let's jump right in. For this pattern, you will need some fish hook earrings. And I'm just using these silver colored ones with the fish hook and a small little hole at the bottom of each of the fish hooks. The string I'll be using is a 1.5mm recycled cotton string, and these are single strand. Although it is single strand, it is a nice sturdy string, so it is still fairly easy to knot with because it does hold up. I'll be using these three colors, the pink, the purple, and natural, for the daisy pattern on the earrings. And then I'll also be using a macrame board with some T-pins to make the earrings. To begin, we are going to take one of the fish hooks and we're going to use a natural colored string at 15 centimeters long. So this is your color number 1 cord. This is going to be the anchor cord throughout the daisy pattern, so you won't really see much of this color until the fringe at the end. So you can choose whichever color you want to be your anchor cord. So what we're going to do is we're just going to thread it through the bottom of the fish hook. Like so. Then we're just going to pin that part down. Make sure that the ends are even. Then we're going to crisscross them, and with a 25 centimeter color number 2 cord, so this is going to be the color of the outer daisy pattern. I'm using the purple cord for this. You'll need a 25 centimeter string folded in half, and we're going to attach it onto the overlapped section with a reverse larkset knot. So bring the loop underneath, and then the cord ends through. Pull on the natural colored anchor cord string on both sides, and then retighten the knot again until everything is nice and snug. Now you might need to adjust this a few times until you've gotten it nice and tight. So once it's good to go, this is what it should look like. Then we can pin the top part down again. And then now to start off with the daisy pattern, we're going to start off on the right side. This is the anchor cord. Take the middle right cord and make a vertical larkset knot. So we're going to go under, over, through the right. under, over, through the right, like so. And then do the same thing on the left side. Under, over, through the left, under, over, through the left. Then with the middle two cords, we're going to overlap them. And then taking color number 3, so this is just the color of the middle of the flower, at 15 centimeters long, attach it onto the overlapped anchor cords with a reverse larcet knot. So tighten, then tighten the anchor cords. This does need to be tight all around. So if you need to take it off to adjust everything, then do so. Pull on the anchor cords tight. And then put it down again. Then on both sides, using the same anchor and working cord, make another vertical larcet knot. So over through the right, under through the right. Same thing on the left side. So over through the left, under through the left. Then we're almost done with the flower pattern now. Making sure we retighten everything. Overlap the anchor cords. And then we're going to take the right purple cord over the overlapped cords and then through the right. So just a half hitch knot. So not a double half hitch knot, but just a half hitch knot like so. And the same thing on the left side. Over the overlapped cords and through the left. So over and then bring it in between and through the left like so. Then to tighten it, pull on the anchor cords and then re-tighten the vertical cords. You might have to do this a few times. Make sure it's nice and tight, because this is the final knot we will be making. And so to make sure it doesn't come undone, it has to be nice and tight. I like to just pull on the anchor cords more. And there you have it. We have our little daisy flower pattern. So we're going to repeat this pattern once more with the second fish hook. Once both are complete, this is what the pattern looks like, and all that's left to do is trim the fringe to your desired length. So I'm going to cut mine halfway through, a little shorter, like so. Now if you want your fringe to be a little bit longer, you can definitely do that. And then I'm going to match it on this side. And there you have it. The two little daisy earrings. Now you can comb through the fringe if you'd like for more of a textured, fluffy look. But if not, you can leave as is. And we are now complete with these daisy earrings. And that's a wrap with our macrame daisy earrings pattern. What did you guys think of this? It is fairly simple in that we don't even need to close off the pattern with a gathering knot. because we are using such thin string, just with the half hitch knots at the bottom is enough to hold the daisy pattern in place. Now, if one daisy knot pattern is not enough for you and you want to add more, just double your cord lengths and you can add another one underneath. If you guys enjoyed this video and are interested in learning more macrame with some exclusive tutorials and lessons, we do have some more intermediate and advanced projects over on our YouTube membership and over on our BOCHIKNOT macrame community on Patreon. I hope you guys had so much fun making these little daisy earrings. Don't forget to tag me with your BOCHIKNOT inspired creations over on Instagram at BOCHIKNOT. I'd love to see them. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.